Hi everyone. Thanks for tuning in. So last time I was here, we were talking about the bedrock of the data engineering life cycle. So like I told you before, and I'll keep saying it again, the life cycle of the data engineering is we have data generation, data ingestion, data storage, and then we have to serve the data that we have harvested. But as we're doing that, we have things that should be in place for that life cycle like to be um, viable. So we do have things like security, orchestration. We do have data architecture. We also do have things to do like we do have security, data architecture. We have orchestration and more to follow. Like I'm going to tell you more about it. So last time when we were here, we were talking about something to do with data governance. And then we had touched on things like discoverability. So if someone wants to find the data within the organization, like they should be able to find the data. Like the data should be very discoverable. So the next thing that we're going to is what we call metadata. Now, metadata is data about data. So like I'm going to explain to you more that we have two ways in which this data is made. The first one is auto-generated, and then the second one becomes like human-generated. Now, the auto-generated one is where we have data catalogs and data lineage. So data catalogs and data lineage, it's like as this data is moving through our systems, it's being transformed, it's being played with. So we need to know that this type of data moved here, went to this system, went to this tool, it was transformed into this type of data, like that. So that's the auto-generated part, like it can be done by a computer. We get to track that through data lineage, like I'm going to explain more as we go further. Then the other thing is the human-generated metadata. This is done by humans. There are some things that humans need to really do, and it's advisable for the humans to really do it other than the machine doing it automatically. Now we do have metadata it's just a product of data and data processes, but the only problem with it is the interoperability among the data tools, and I'm going to touch on that as like in the future, interoperability among the data tools. When we look at Amazon Web Services, it has a way how it connects all the tools. In the future, it has a tool that enables you to connect all the data tools together. So we have looked at metadata. It's data about data. It can be auto-generated or human-generated. That's what you need here.